Guys, 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 exam is finally over! Hey class, how are you guys doing? Exam is finally over. How do you feel? Well, I hope you get a really nice rest. You know, a long needed break from all the hard working or hardly working. So today I just want to do a quick announcement, and it is the new drawing challenge. I call it drawing challenge number 2. So for the next video I'm going to make another drawing challenge, and I need your help, all of you. I need you to give me some ideas on what to draw. So if you can, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you want me to draw. Or, better yet, you can come to my classroom. I'm going to put a box and some paper inside, and you can write some ideas for me to draw. And I'm gonna pick 10 to 15 ideas to draw based on how much I like it. Like if it's very creative ideas or it's very funny to draw, I would choose it to draw. So starting from tomorrow, I'll accept any ideas you throw at me. 2 days, I'm gonna put the box outside of my classroom, and you can come and write some ideas for me. So I'm gonna collect ideas from tomorrow, that is 14th of July and 15th of July. That is the Thursday and Friday this week. So you can come to my class and get a piece of paper and then write down some ideas for me. Now there's no rule for what drawing ideas you have. You can give me any ideas and I'll try my best to draw it. But everyone can only give me one idea. Okay, one idea per person. Okay, you can write that one idea onto this piece of paper, or you can put it down at the comments of this video. So yeah, I'm very excited for this drawing challenge because many of you requested for another one. So stay tuned for another video, and I'll see you guys at school. So bye, high five, 3, 2, 1, 8.